Today we are heading to Cat Ba Island to go see Halong Bay and do some kayaking and boating and just relaxing on the beach, getting out of the hustle and bustle busy city of Hanoi. And so we just had a couple hour bus ride and now we're about to get on a ferry to go to the island. If you plan on doing a tour to Halong Bay, I would highly recommend just going to Cat Ba Island. It was only $8 to get a ferry ride and a bus ride all the way to your hostel or accommodation. We stayed at Luna Hostel, which we were also able to book our Halong Bay tour from, which was only $20. Great in comparison to the crazy $100 plus tours they sell to Halong Bay from Hanoi. And if you need any more reason to stay at Cat Ba, it's beautiful. There's beautiful beaches, great nightlife, and it was a wonderful time. We made it to the beach! Oh! Are you guys having a good day?
I'm vlogging actually.
Yeah.
This makes no sense. Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have YouTube?
Yeah.
I want to see it right now. Should I do some sort of pose or something?
Yeah. Be sexy.
Nah, I can't be.
Yeah. We just had the most amazing day at the beach, swimming in the ocean. It was wonderful. We have a new friend.
Some nudity. That it's not as jiggly as different butts, but still, it's good.
That's the female butt.
Tomorrow, we're going around Halong Bay. We're gonna go kayaking. We're gonna go on a boat. It's gonna be so awesome. I'm so excited. Tonight, we're gonna maybe find some karaoke and drink some beer and just have a good time. When we can't find our keys, it's too hot. We just dump out the bag and put everything.
Very fun.
Hanoi wine. Yes. Thank you.
What's your name?
Cheers.
Gon. Linus.
Today we're doing a tour of Halong Bay in like northern Vietnam. We are about to get on a boat and we're gonna do kayaking and swimming and whatever else, but it should be super fun. We're on the boat. It's really beautiful. The sun's coming out soon. They're just making fun of me the whole time. Yay. Selfie stick! I got my selfie stick. It's great. I should use this thing more. It's amazing.
Get all the angles.
All the angles. I can zoom out and zoom in.
Show them your outfit.
What outfit's it?
I actually don't know that instructor.
Hey, we out here in Halong Bay on the kayak. It's so beautiful. Whoa. by the bay, where the watermelon grew. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, have you ever seen a hag with a bag?
That one sucks.
I know. They don't. Again, I can't recommend Kappa Island more for the budget-friendly traveler to go to Halong Bay. There's all the amazing views, a full day on a boat with 2 hours of kayaking through these narrow passageways into a lagoon surrounded by blue water and magnificent cliffs. It was just absolutely amazing. And lunch was actually even provided on the boat. Friends were made, laughs were had, breathtaking views all around. Go to Kappa Island, see Halong Bay. It's amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.